Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D practice model in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the Autodesk Inventor basic commands. So let's get started. Go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Now take a 2D sketch. We'll select here the XY plane. Take the rectangle command. Take 2-point rectangle and here make one rectangle horizontally and make one rectangle vertically. Okay. Now go to dimension. Define this total height as 42 mm and here define this as 20 mm. Now define this length as 60 mm and define this as 10 mm. Okay. Now finish sketch. Go to extrude. Select both the rectangles. Here click on symmetric and take distance of 30 mm. Okay. And press OK. Now select this face. Go to create sketch. Take the circle command. Make one circle here of diameter 10 mm. Go to dimension. Define from base. The distance will be 30 mm. Go to vertical constraint. Select the center and select the center. Now go to rectangle command. Take 2-point rectangle and make one rectangle profile here. Now go to coincident constraint. Select the center and select the center. Similarly, select the center and select the center. Go to dimension. Define the width as 3 mm. Okay. Finish sketch. Take extrude. Select both the profiles. Here click on direction 2. So this will be a through cut. As you can see, this is a through cut. We have taken here same distance 30 mm and press OK. Rotate the view. Here take chamfer command. Take a chamfer of 5 mm. Select this corner, select this corner. Now press OK. Okay. Now here we'll make the other profiles. First select this face, go to create sketch. Here take the rectangle command once again. Take 2-point rectangle and we will make a rectangle profile here. Go to dimension. Define the width of 12 mm. Go to horizontal constraint. Select the center and select the center. Go to coincident. Select this line and select this point. Finish sketch. Take here extrude. Flip the direction. Rotate. Here take a distance of 29 mm and press OK. So this will be not a through cut. Okay. Now here select this face, go to create sketch, rotate. Here take the circle command. Make one circle here of diameter 15 and make 2 circles here, each of diameter 8 and this also diameter 8. Go to dimension. Define the center to center distance as 14 mm. Okay. From this back side, this center will be at 30 mm. Go to vertical constraint. Select this point, select this point. Okay. Now here go to dimension and define the distance of this from base at 45 mm. Okay. Now here you can see this is still not constrained. So go to line command and make a center line and scale. Select this line, make it construction. Now here you can see this is having movement. So here we will take horizontal constraint, select this point and select this point. Now here I have given the distance of 14 mm. Go to dimension. From center line I will take a half distance of 7 mm. So this will be also defined. Finish sketch. Take extrude. Select all the 3 profiles. Flip the direction to cut and press OK. Now select this corner, take here fillet, chamfer. Chamfer will be of same 5 mm, and this also. Go to edge selection, select this and press OK. Okay, I think we have completed all the profiles. Go to part 2. Here we have completed this cut profiles and here this chamfers. Go to part 7. Here I'll take the appearance. I've taken the magenta color, so click on magenta and this will be the final output. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a 3D part in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.